and welcome. Today on Leeman 357, we're going to be making some chicken thighs on the Kamado Joe Classic Grill. We are starting off with 5 pounds of chicken thighs, generously seasoned with garlic salt and paprika. And now, ladies and gentlemen, on to the grill. We are using some Royal Oak lump charcoal, a few chunks of hickory wood, and some Kamado Joe fire starter blocks. We are adding some beer to the drip pan. Nastrovia. Houston, we have chicken thighs on the grill and a couple of potatoes to boot. The temperature is controlled by the air vents. We will be cooking at or around 300 degrees for about 2.5 hours. And now it's time to kick back and enjoy the aroma. It's pretty tough living in Florida in February, but somebody has to do it. Meet Toby, the newest addition to the Leeman 357 channel. Toby is originally from Kentucky, and we adopted him from a pet foster home. Well, it looks like we're done here, folks. Now on to the fun part.